Welcome to Arcadia Public Library's Community Memory Lab. This tutorial will show you how to scan documents and photos using the Epson Expression 12000 XL scanner. If you watched the previous video, you now have on nitrile gloves and have prepared the scanner and your originals by cleaning them with anti-static wipes or the air puffer. Place documents or photos face down on the glass. You can scan multiple items at once. Close the scanner lid. Turn on the scanner. Connect your external hard drive or USB to the computer. Double-click on the Epson Scan To icon on the desktop. Choose Photograph as your scan setting. Yes to confirm if prompted. It defaults to photo mode. You can decide the other settings if you want. If you're not sure, we recommend 24-bit color under image type, a resolution of at least 600 for photos, TIFF for the image format, and this is where you name your file. Click on the File Name drop-down menu, click on Settings. Create a file naming convention, something simple like its description and date, and type that into the prefix field. The rest of the file naming is optional. Click on OK. Make sure your USB drive and the folder you want are selected. Click on Preview. Use the mouse to select the scan area, also known as a frame. You can select multiple scan frames by using the mouse to select the next frame. When the selection is a dotted line, it is called the marquee. The marquee is the one that gets scanned if you scan one frame at a time. You can scan every frame by clicking on Select All. Click on Scan. It takes about 22 seconds to scan one 4x6 photo at 600 resolution. Now to scan a document. Choose Document in the scan setting. Click Yes to confirm if prompted. Select Auto for image type. Select at least a 300 resolution for documents. Select the PDF or searchable PDF image format. And the rest of the steps are the same as scanning a photo. Name the file and select your own USB and folder. Click on Preview. Delete any previous frames with this eraser icon. Select the current frame by clicking and dragging the mouse. To scan a multiple-page document, see the instructions in the Scanner Handbook. Click on Scan. When you are done, remove your originals and clean the scanning bed with anti-static wipes. Make sure the scanner is powered off and closed. Make sure your files are saved on your USB and don't forget to eject your USB drive.